Hi there, it's Saturday the 21st of April 2018 and welcome to this week's review of the different investment classes. I'm going to look at all of them because I don't know which one is going to do best. Shares, property, gold, commodities and bonds. I'm going to start off looking at shares, seeing how equities are all doing. Now the fund that I use for exposure to shares seems to be going up. The past couple of weeks it's done very well, got very close to the green line. If it had fallen below that I would have sold it, but no, it's above the green line, so I'm staying invested in this fund. Property is the next one. This too has done very well the past couple of weeks. You can see how it's risen up nicely, so I'm staying invested in property. Gold is slice number 3. This has been going sideways. This last week though, it went up just a little bit more than it had been, but it's still below the green line, so I'm staying in cash in this slice of the pie. A couple of weeks ago I had a signal to sell my commodities investment. This made me a bit of a loss. That was a bit disappointing, but this week the price of the fund has popped up and closed above the green line, so this is a buy signal for me, so I'm going to be buying into my commodities fund next week. The last slice is bonds. I don't trade in and out of them. I just have 3 different bond funds, one in pounds, one in euros and one in dollars, which I remain invested in. So here are the traffic light signals. Shares are on a green still, property also on a green still, gold is a red, so I'm staying in cash here. Commodities, this is a new buy signal for me. Bonds are always a buy and hold in my system, so I shall be buying into the commodities fund that I follow next week. Now remember, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a regular person, probably much like you. This video is just about what I do. I'm not making any recommendations, so if you follow me, then you do it at your own risk. You might even end up living in a cardboard box next to me on the street. But if you want to know more, members of my site get to know what I trade exactly, when I trade it, and it's all done via a private Facebook page, and it's only £199 for a whole year's subscription, so why don't you join us? If you're interested, just drop me an email at andy@trendfollower.co.uk. It will be great to have you on board. Now I'll do another video for you next week, so stick around and enjoy that. Make sure you're on my mailing list, and I'll catch up with you next week. Okay, bye for now.